look, if you want like higher quality friends, the friends that actually want to succeed in life, whether that's becoming healthier, wealthier, or just having a better love life, you're not going to meet these people for the most part late night at a bar or like a nightclub or some kind of like late night restaurant where you guys are all drinking and just getting sloppy. Chances are these people, whether it's a guy or a girl, they're not going to remember you. And think about that, bro. How much happier would you be if you were surrounded by other people that wanted to level up in life just as much as you wanted to? I'm 30 years old right now. I work for myself. I live in a house and I have a dog that I have to take care of, and I'm in a wheelchair. I don't prioritize going out partying, feeling like shit, and spending money. I only associate with people at this point in my life that work for themselves or that are like higher quality people that if I need a favor done, I can ask them for help and vice versa. That's what I'm trying to help you meet these people moving forward. If you're younger and you're in your party phase, then by all means go through that because you can't skip that. But if you're like I said, if you're looking to just level up in life and have a higher quality friends, this is going to help you. What I want you to do is, if you're not part of a community, you need to join a fucking community. And what I mean by that, a community, and I preach this over and over and over again, bro, because there's that stupid ass quote, opposites attract. They don't. Like attracts like. A community could be run club. It could be pickleball. It could be tennis. It could be that you're part of like a biking team. You go to the gym. You go to, if you're a girl, Pilates. I'm assuming your dude watched this. Pilates is one. Yoga is another one. Those are all physical activities. And I like physical activities because other people are prioritizing their health. If you meet somebody at a bar and they go out and party all the time, they might not go to the gym, which means they're just throwing their fucking life away. I don't want to be around people like that. So I value like physical activities. Other activities could be, I don't really know any, but it could be like book club, for example. I know the girl that colors my hair, she's part of a book club. That is a place where you can meet like other higher quality people during the day, because book club, these are people that likely are going to have a higher IQ because they're constantly reading something. As an example, what I mean, when you join these communities, the more you partake in these, naturally you're going to meet people over a course of time. You just, because if you're part, like if you go to the gym, like at my gym right now, there's a whole group of dudes that just hang out and work out together. I see people coming in and working out with themselves. I mean, other people come up to me and talk to me. I talk to girls, and that you're just naturally going to talk to people over time. You're either going to say something to them or they're going to say something to you. Now, when you meet these people, most of them are going to be acquaintances, and that's just people you see like when you're out and you're doing that. That's fine. But every once in a while, you're going to notice that you're going to start talking to like one or two or three people like pretty consistently. Those are people like you're cool with. Like I'm thinking of a girl right now, two girls right now that come up to me every time they see me. They're both married, and that's besides the point. But what I'm saying is they constantly come up to me just to say hi and talk to me. So if I wanted to, I could say, hey man, would you and your husband want to go and do blah blah blah? I've heard it's really cool and I think you guys would enjoy it. And then because I like these two girls and I've never met their husband and they're probably cool, I could invite the girls and the husbands to go do something. And because I like these people and I know who they are and I know they're good people, now I can potentially hang out with other, like, they're married, sure, and I don't really care about that. I don't care about that. Would be what, like fifth wheeling? I don't care about that. But what I'm trying to show you is I would now be able to hang out and make new friends with the husbands and hang out with people that I like, that value the same thing as me, that I know are good people. So when you're part of these communities, when you meet people, you're going to start asking them, hey, like if you, like I work for myself, I know one of the guys I'm going to throw, his name is Ryan Hamilton. He owns Hammy TV. Ryan and I are boys, man. I met him at the gym. And if I wanted to talk business to him, I could talk business to him because I know we both work for ourselves. There's another guy there named Chad, fucking awesome guy. He sells like custom like Frenchies, dude. I think he sold a dog for like $150,000 one time. He told me he's a super cool guy, and those are people with big money. So if you work for yourself, when you're part of these community, you're gonna, depending on the area you're in, I'm in a very rich area, you're gonna meet other people with like a high network. And if you learn how to talk to them, which I can help you do, well, now you could potentially have a future business deal. And because you two are friends, making a sale to this person will be much easier if it made sense to do that. Or if, like, let's say they don't work for themselves, but they go to like church every Sunday, for example, and you go, like, if you're used to going to church by yourself and you meet other people that go to church every Sunday, those are people that you're likely going to want to be around. But you met these people at the fucking gym. And now when you're talking to them, you find out they go to church. Well, now you could say, hey, would you guys want to go to church together? I love that. More than likely, they're going to be like, yeah, let's do it. And then you ask for their phone number. This is how you meet higher quality people. Okay, I mean, like, yes, people go out and party all the time and then go to church the next day. That's fine. But what I'm telling you is from my experience, the people I've met during the day that don't really care about going out late anymore, their priorities in life are where mine are. I value having a happier, healthier, wealthier, and richer life. Other people that I talk to that I can tell value the same things, I want to be around them. You're going to meet these people more than likely during the day when you guys aren't getting shitty and you guys are sober. Now, if you're at the point where you've got like fuck you money, can you still go out and like travel overseas and party with rich people? Yeah, absolutely. At that point, you've already reached the level where I think you're allowed to go and do that. Well, I mean, I guess you're allowed to do it anytime, but from what I've seen, like other rich people hang out with other rich people. And I know a couple rich guys that I think actually it might be Ryan and Chad. I'm thinking about it. I don't think they drink when they go out. They might take their wives out and go and do fun stuff. I don't think they drink. So they might stay out late. But in that case, if you know the guy doesn't drink, well, then you can go out late and not like get shitty and feel bad the next day. But you will never meet these people at nighttime at like a fucking busy bar or like a club. This is from experience, bro. Nobody I've met in the past, like when I used to bartend and party all the time, I don't hang out with any of those people because to me, they're all lower quality like people. I don't want trash. Yes, I'm being very blunt, trash. I don't fucking want these people in my life. I have met the best people, the highest quality people that I hang out with today, that I talk to today, that I know I met all of these people during the day, part of a community who value the same things I do. So in my area, there is a massive bodybuilding community in my area. And I know a lot of people that are a part of that. And because they're all part of this community, they're all going to get to know each other. And because they're bodybuilding, from my understanding, I don't think any of them go out and party and drink. So it's like, I would want to be around people like that value their health. Most of these guys work for themselves, so they value getting richer too, and they're trying to look as good as possible. I would want to be around people like that. And you're going to meet these people in communities. I said physical activities because that's really all I know. I'm not part of a fucking book club. I like going to the gym. I like going for like walks and shit with the dog out in parks. I like doing physical stuff. I value my health. I want to be around other people that do as well. This will help you meet higher quality people. Can you tell how passionate I am about this? It's my second time filming this fucking video because the first one I was like, no, I don't like that. I don't want to put it out to you guys because I don't think I'm actually getting the point across. If you're in like your mid 20s right now, because I don't know how old you are, you could be younger or older watching this. If you're in like your younger 20s, like college years, you're likely not going to take this video seriously and you're going to want to party. If you're in your upper 20s and you're a guy, bro, I think to get like financially better off, especially with AI, you're running out of fucking time. You don't have time to be going out and partying like you used to back when you didn't have as many responsibilities. So also, you're the average of who you associate, 5 people you hang out with. If you're hanging out with people who party all the time and smoke and drink, you're more likely to do that. I don't really do that anymore. I study and I watch and I talk to and I hang out with other people that try to get rich. And I met all of these people through like the gym, or I think I met a couple people at the farmers market because I go there every fucking Sunday. So to me, that's a community, and it's during the day. I hope this video helps you guys. If you do, I'm gonna end it here, man. I'm ranting. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Listen, man, if you want my help becoming more extroverted, more confident, building a bigger social circle, whether that's with friends or dating life or networking, I can help you do that. I am extremely good at socializing. This is why I film videos like this. I have a link in the description. Go check out that page. It'll tell you what the program's about. If you feel like I can help you, book a time to speak with me and let's actually see if it makes sense to work together. And with that being said, if you like this video, check out one of these two right here, man. You're gonna love those as well. Guys, hey, my guy. I'll see you in the next one, bro.